Already? Cut. This time, we have a check letter.
Oh my gosh, Zero. You think this is a joke?
S?
I Amuse statsreplacement because af is at the playground will be W, V, C, Z, and J right now. Here is the footage.
Okay guys, since we're at the playground, what are we gonna do first? Maybe the swings. Good idea B.
It's okay, we'll just wait for A to come back and then we'll do take 5.